In this video, I'm going to show you how to download AnyDesk on PC in a quick and easy way. Whether you're downloading it for remote access, tech support, or just to connect with another computer, this guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you already have installed on your computer. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type AnyDesk, then press Enter to search for it. From the search results, look carefully and click the official AnyDesk website. This is important because you always want to make sure you're downloading the software from the official source and not from a third-party site. Once the AnyDesk homepage opens, look for the Download Now button. On most devices, the website will automatically detect your operating system for you, so you usually don't need to choose anything manually. Go ahead and click Download Now, and the installer file should begin downloading to your PC. Depending on your browser, the file may appear in the Downloads bar at the bottom or in your Downloads folder. Just wait a few moments until the download is complete. Once it finishes, you'll have the AnyDesk installer ready to open and set up on your computer. So that's how you download AnyDesk on PC, in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.